When preparing a product for dispatch to One Fulfillment by Allegro, you also need to prepare an ASN. I will explain how to do this. First, select the Sales tab, then My One Fulfillment, and click on ASN for Deliveries, Create ASN. Here, you will see all products for which offers were created in One Fulfillment by Allegro. If for some reason the product is not here and you want to dispatch it, you need to first create an offer in One Fulfillment by Allegro. You can also find a specific product by entering its name or the GTIN. After you find the desired product, click on it and select Add. You can add multiple products to your ASN. Once you have selected all the products you want, click Next. Then, decide how you wish to package your products. Do you want to put the same or different products in one box? In the next step, add the number of boxes and quantity per box. Be sure to package products according to your list, as we charge additional fees for any discrepancies in the number of products. Then click Next. In the next step, download the labels. Be sure to print each of them and stick them on the appropriate box. With correct labeling, your parcel can be accepted at the Allegro warehouse. Select how you will deliver the parcel, by courier or by your own transport. If you select courier, add the consignment note number and click Send ASN. Congratulations! You have just created your ASN. See how to issue an ASN for different products in one box. Just like in the previous steps, you create an ASN. This time, select Package different products in one box. Then click Add Box and select Products. You can also add other boxes in this way. Then, enter the quantity per box and click Next. Download and print labels and attach them to the appropriate boxes. This is very important for the parcel to be correctly received at the Allegro warehouse. Select how you want your parcel to be delivered to us. You can use your own transport too. Enter the vehicle license plate and the approximate delivery date. Then click Send ASN. If you have not yet downloaded the labels, you can do it now. Go to ASN Details and download the labels. To see the status of your other ASNs, go to Sales, then One Fulfillment, and select ASN List. If there are any discrepancies in the delivery, you will see a red message in the ASN Details next to Products, stating Discrepancies after acceptance. You can also view your stock at any time to see which products are available for sale. To do this, go to Sales, then One Fulfillment, and select Stock. If any of the products are missing, you can select them from the list and go directly to create an ASN.
Visit Allegro Academy and find out how to boost your sales. Allegro Academy, your partner in business and online shopping.